Hey guys, Technoventure with a video for you guys. In this video, we're going to compare the color pink versus Starlight for the iPhone 13 lineup. If you're deciding between either of these colors or simply just want to know what's included and what you can expect in terms of the colors, especially since these are new colors. Well, at least the pink one is the Starlight. Here is more of a white one, what the iPhone 12 was called before. So as you can see here, these phones was released on September 24th here of the flagship phones. Both of the phones come at about $800 for the 128 gig, and of course for the 256 gig you're paying $899 and then $1099 for the 512 gig. So that's going to be the price point for these two phones. So let's start taking a look at it. The first one you'll notice here is the pink one. Here in the pink box here you're going to get that pink design that's new to it, and of course in the box here it's like the 12 box where Apple started to slim down and not give too much on the box. You have the USB-C charger, and then the pamphlet with the SIM tray, SIM ejector tool for the SIM tray, and then the sticker, and one sticker, and safety and handling. So that's what's going to be included in these boxes. So in the box is the same exact content between it, so it's not that you're getting something different from one box to another. The one thing that we wish Apple did include was that 18 watt or 20 watt wall adapter, which would help, of course, to make charging faster. You can still use the 5 watt one, but those are super slow, not recommended. And you'll see here the pink one, just a quick look at it if you guys haven't seen it or this is the first time you're looking at it. The pink one, you'll notice, has flat round edges here, and the pink here, it's a light pink, so it's almost very similar to probably the white one. When we take a look at it, you get the charge port, and we're going to go ahead and take that off and power it on here. So once we power it on here, when it does power on, the Apple logo comes on. You'll notice here the pink here on the front bezel, you can actually notice this. The back here is a glass, and then you got that 212 megapixel camera here diagonal now. So that's how you determine where it was just vertical on the 12. They just decided to make it diagonal. And just a quick look at it one more time. Very lightweight phone, not that heavy, really nice and easy to hold. So here is the 13. Now let's take a look at the Starlight one. Again, we mentioned the Starlight is just a rebrand of the white one. If you really closely look at it, it's just the white iPhone 12, just the different name. And same thing here in the box, you're going to get that same exact content as we mentioned. So let's put that aside here and take a look at the phone here. This one, as you notice, again here, this one did have a cover. We took the cover off, but let's go ahead and power it on by holding this big button here. Well, Apple logo powers on. Let's take a quick look at it here. Interestingly enough, the side bezel here, matte here, it looks almost like it's a tint of gold to my eyes, or silver if you will. And then the back here, very just a white one here. You have the Apple logo, the diagonal 12 megapixel camera, speakers on the back here, and then the flash here. So that's how the 12 looks in the first hand of it. And then you have the top notch, which is smaller. So let's take a look at between these two phones. Of course, both of the phones are exact same size, weight, and everything. It's just different finishes. You can also get these in product red or blue and midnight as well. So there's 5 different color choices you have. These sport a 6.1 inch display now with the 2532 by 1170 pixel. Unfortunately, these only have 60 hertz, unlike the Pro and the Pro Max one, which have those 120 hertz rate. And of course, it's pretty impressive for the 13 thing is that it has a really good screen ratio compared to the 12. There is a slight increase, so now you have, with that smaller top notch, you have 87.24 screen ratio. So that's almost close to hitting that 90 mark for screen ratio. Of course, we'll see what Apple does with it. Again, here, if we take a close look at it, you notice here it's really hard to determine in a quick look at it the shade of it. You can see that both the shades are very light matte design to it. You got the side button and the speakers here. The wave for the 5G. Both phones are capable of 5G. You have a SIM card tray, speakers, and overall look of it across the board. And if we hold it on the back here, so you notice here on the back, the cameras are raised, but not as raised as the Pro model are. And that's sort of what you're going to be expecting to look at. Both of the phones do ship with that A15 Bionic chip, which was introduced with the 13 lineup. Powerful chip, 4 gigs of RAM on these. Again, battery size is pretty decent. This is a 3227 mAh battery, shipping with iOS 15 on these devices. So there you guys have it for a color comparison. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Want to hear from you guys, which is your favorite color of the 5 colors? Leave a comment in the comments section. Also want to hear from you guys, where you guys from? Put that in the comment section as well, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.